while. We've had a ton of other people asking. Cletus has been on me. He's like, hey man, you gotta get a burnout car. Gotta get a burnout car. I'm like, yeah, I know. I got a plan. We were thinking about maybe making our backup S10 as our burnout car. 5.3 with the LSA. That just went a different direction and all that. So all of a sudden it kind of hit me. I was like, maybe we got a vehicle that we can use. And then the idea really hit me hard. I gave a call out to Brent in Colorado from PFI, and I was like, hey man, I got an idea. What do you think about this? And then Brent said,
hell yeah, let's go.
Let's do this. He's healthy.
Good enough.
All right.
Healthy as a Honda.
That is awesome. That's great news. Really would be nice to hear this thing. I wanted to dyno it beforehand, but hey, beggars can't be choosers.
On purpose, didn't you?
On purpose.
Piece by piece. Once we get our valve cover on there, that thing is going to look wild. And as far as the downpipe,
yeah, half a day of welding.
Get it pretty close, and then I do want to make that little like line it off. So yeah. Okay,
yeah,
sweet.
No.
other front bolt on it. You got a shift linkage coming there.
Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah.
Figuring it out.
Yep.
Cut up that other side.
We've got the timing chain all back on. Everything's in time. We've got the new oil pump on. George went and kind of clearanced this for the girdle itself. Got the new windage tray on, and everything just looks great. New timing chain, tensioner, freshly done valve cover, which turned out so good. Look at that. That looks excellent. Good job, man.
Dude. Everything, man. Everything. All of it, lad. Come on. Come on, man. Dude. Oh my God, dude. All right, I'm gonna be addicted. Oh my God, dude, this is so awesome.
Chicks dig scars and glories forever.
Oh, dude. 72, 319, dude. Look at that torque curve, dude. This linear power, this is crazy, dude.
472. 200 RPM release. Regular's at 79.
Oh my God.
Cut at 77.
This is epic. May the Lord protect us. Dude, this is nuts, brother. Well, that's what I'm hoping for.
Dude, I think it might have barely pulled the tires right there. I felt that before. I think it barely pulled the tires on the street.
That was a pretty even race right there. That was close. We're gonna have to see what the finish line says. That looked dead even. That's crazy. You got display of torque getting out on horsepower, then horsepower wheeling down torque. That is wild.
Oh man, what is going on? This is the matchup right here.
Oh man, his brakes are smoking, mine are smoking. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't even know how we're gonna call this, but this is so freaking fun. I can't even. I'm just so glad you guys are along for the ride.
You just think about what we just did. That's crazy, dog. Great.
That was so much fun. So.
You know, being involved and watching from the outside
Yeah.
is just such a neat deal, and the whole crew here has been so awesome, and this has been an awesome quarantine, that's for sure.
Yeah. Guys, on the whole smart car build, I truly could not be happier with the way that this thing turned out. We've got ourselves an absolute weapon. This has been the best. It has really been the best.
It really has.
We've
Men
had-
making Ben better. It's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's really cool.
Well,
It's really cool.
God bless you guys. This has been
God bless.
the best. That tire is awesome too, man. I cannot wait. Dude, that looks so freaking awesome, man. So perfect on here.
Is that exciting? That get your blood pumping or what?
Yeah.
You're just popping wheelies.
Well, we built a burnout car that does wheelies. Hey, you know, it's a bonus. Fix, man. So second gear is munched, and yeah, it is a little bit of a bummer. Oh well, man. Hey, that's awesome. You win some, you lose some, and dude, this is a win and a half, guys. Stay tuned. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next episode.
Don't forget to check out the Fasterproms store where you can get hats, t-shirts, stickers,
Hey.
lanyards,
Got
and
a
even
Cater Tot
hoodies.
shirt.
And get the brand new Cater Tot Wheelie Poppin' Smart Car shirt.
designer absolutely knocked it out of the park. This is awesome. So our Smart Car t-shirt is available for pre-order on the website. Check out Fasterproms store. There's also a link in the description below. So guys, we would not be able to do these type of projects without your support. So thank you so very much.